Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel cbse Insights. This video will be helpful for those who are appearing JLEE 2025. Many of you were asking me about mathematics portion. So how will you prepare mathematics and what are the important subjects of mathematics? So finally I come back with marks distribution for mathematics portion. I have analyzed the mathematics portion and written down all the questions that were there in the mathematics portion from the last 4 years. So if you have a look, then you can see that I have written down the main chapter. So I have not broken it into the subtopics. So I have written down only the main topics. So here we have 21 chapters, and there is a miscellaneous topics. So that doesn't fall in any particular topic. So in this video I will analyze what are the chapters are important, and so what are the chapters from which the question are majorly asking. So as you can see here, there are 21 chapters. So from every chapter, if you look now, then you can see that you will be able to see that from every chapters questions were asking 1 or 2 or 3, sometimes 4. So let us see what are the chapters that are very important. So first of all, limit. So limit from limit in 2024 3 questions were asked. In 2023 1 questions were asked. In 2022 no questions were asked. And about to 2020 there are two questions. Okay, and continuity and differentiability or differentiation. Majorly you will ask majorly you will be asked one question from continuity and one question from differentiation. So here in every year 2 questions were asked. So one question from continuity and one question from differentiation. You can take this. Okay, now application of derivatives. So from application of derivatives part, one question was asked in 2024, and in 2023 one question was asked. So here 2022 2 questions were asked. Integration in 2024 no questions were asked. So you can see application of integration 3 questions were asked. Now 2023 no questions were asked. 2022 2 questions were asked. So the important chapters, if I find out from which questions are asking frequently, application of integration you have to see. Okay, so study in application of integration. This is very important. Matrix, you can study this matrix. This is very easy also, so you can take this. Determinants, no questions are asking the determinants from last 3 years except 2022, except 2020. So here no question were asked. So connect section, you have to study this connect section. This is very important, also easy, you can take it. Straight line, one question was asked last year. From 2022 from 2022 question was asked. Relation and function, this is one question you will get from relation and function, which is very easy. Just to put a random just to put some value, you can take this. This is very easier. You can take, you don't need to go into depth of relation function. Just a easy question will be asked from the 10 best question. Mensuration, this mensuration part is very easy. You can take it as 10 standard question, so it will be easy for you. Logarithm, you just read how to do log. Simple sum you can take practice. Binomial theorem, this is very important, you can take it. Trigonometry, this is very important. Trigonometry, in every year you can see minimum 3 questions, minimum 2 or 3 questions. Average, in an average 3 questions are asked, so you can take this, very important, trigonometry. And permutation and combination, this is also very important, you can take it. Statistics, you just revise the basics formula, just beside basic things, that what are the things that were mid, mean. So all the questions that were asked in class 10th level, so you can just take it. Okay, so quadratic equation, in every year one question are asked from quadratic equation, finding root or some whatever. This is very easy. You can do it. So probability, from last 2 years, no question was asked from probability. Two questions were asked in 2022 and 2020. No question was asked. AP and GP, this is, you can tag this AP and GP. And complex number, you can also tag this. Two question you can expect from the here. 3D geometry, no question was asked. Last year only one question was asked. And miscellaneous, here one question and one question. So just go through this table, and if you can print it out. I will upload this in the description box, so you can print it out and stick it on the wall, so that you can just see and which chapter are important, which chapter are very much important. You can just find it out in your own way, and which chapters is easy for you according to your confidence. You can just study. Okay, so one thing here, you can see here which chapters are very important. Limit, you have to study limit. Okay, limit is very important. This is very easier also. And continuity and defensibility, this is also easy. You can take it. Those who are weak in mathematics, you can go for this. Okay, and those who are strong in mathematics, you may cover the whole syllabus, but you don't need to go into depth. Okay, so you just take the overview of the subjects. Okay, you just go through the overview of the chapters. If you just know the basic things now, you will be able to do in the maths. Okay, you don't need to do you don't need to do all the maths. There are 24-30 questions, right? So if you can just minimum 50, if you just attempt minimum 50 questions now, it will be sufficient for you. Okay, just 50 questions, you just attempt 50 questions, and remaining 50 questions just keep it as it is. Okay, you don't need to attempt those questions, just 50 questions. If you just know the basics of the mathematics now, you will be able to do 15 questions, which is very easier. Okay, and remaining 50 questions you don't need to attempt. And the remaining portion, if I talk about other portion, and you will get marks from computer, right? From computer, you can expect 5 marks, 5 questions easily. Okay, and basics, graphics and engineering drawing, you can expect 5 marks. So not 5 marks, 5 questions. So here 10 questions, and here 15 questions. So we have 25 questions, right? So here 25 questions. So 100 marks is taken from here, right? So 100 marks is taken from here, and from the remaining branch, you have to score good marks in branch, right? Remaining portion you have to cover from branch. Okay, so those who are very weak in mathematics, don't fear, because there is nothing in mathematics. So you just need to attempt 15 questions only. Okay, if you just go through this table and just prepare your important chapters now, you can just attempt 15 marks. Okay, you can just do 15 questions, which is very easier. Okay, just go through this table, and you can print it out. It will be very effective for you if you just print it out. I will upload this in the description box. Otherwise I will upload in the WhatsApp group. You can join the WhatsApp group by clicking the link given in the description box. And also I have uploaded a video regarding the strategy of JLEE. Also I have uploaded a video regarding mathematics solution. All previous year question from 2012 is solved there. So you can just go through it. One thing, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, because it's a newly created channel, and also it will be helpful for you if you are preparing for JLEE. So it will be very helpful for you, because I will upload videos regarding JLEE, which will be I think which will be helpful for you in your preparation. So those who belong to civil engineering background, so you have to subscribe at least, because this channel is since I am also civil engineer. So you can just press the subscribe button, because I will upload videos regarding civil engineering portion. I will. Okay, so our next video will be how to prepare civil engineering. How can we score 160 plus? Okay, how can you score 160 and plus? Okay, since I scored 160 plus, so I will expose all the hidden tricks. How did I score 161 plus? Okay, how did I score 160 plus? So you just go through what I have told earlier. So if you just go through it now, then you can just you will be able to score 250 plus. Okay, so this is for today. Please subscribe, share. Please subscribe, because subscribe means a lot to me. This is a newly created channel, so please help me, support me. Please share to your friends, and you can share it to your college group also. So please, so other students can also take the benefits. Thank you.